It's a story that we first brought you earlier today. St. Luke's closing ahead of schedule. The hospital originally announcing it would be open through May 15th, but now saying that it's shutting its doors 2 weeks from tonight. Chase Bachman's been following the story for us today. He joins us live outside the hospital. So how are the people in the community kind of handling all of this new news?
Well, Jeff, in talking with people in the community, they were shocked when they heard the news. They hope this building doesn't sit empty for long. They hope it finds a new purpose in the community. Terry Harrison has lived in this Maumee neighborhood for 45 years. In that time, she's watched the nearby hospital grow and evolve.
It was so small to start with, and a lot of the other buildings weren't there, but it really changed a lot of things for the people around here because it was a hospital close.
Harrison has had relatives born and work at St. Luke's. Her own mother had open heart surgery there in 2009.
My father actually used to farm the ground here where St. Luke's Hospital is now.
But with the news St. Luke's is closing in 2 weeks, Harrison is worried about the people in the surrounding areas.
If they have an emergency and they have to go farther, I think it's going to be scary for them.
With the hospital closing, emergency services have one fewer place to take patients. Providence Township could take emergency patients to St. Luke's in less than 15 minutes. Now, ambulances will have to take them more than 30 minutes to University Toledo Medical Center or Toledo Hospital.
It creates a gap where it may take a little bit longer for individuals to get an ambulance.
Department Captain Chad Eichholt says the distance could be the difference between life and death. Some, like Maumee's Jeff DeArmond, hope buyer Mercy Health will put the campus to good use sooner rather than later.
Nobody wants to see a big empty building. I mean, hopefully they come up with a plan where they're going to convert it into something. I mean, whether or not that's going to be a hospital or something else, I mean, we'll have to wait and see.
We also reached out to the city of Maumee. City Administrator Patrick Birch says they're taking a wait-and-see approach, but as of right now, there's not much the city can do.
Chase, this facility has been around since the early 1900s, and of course, it's very near and dear, as you heard, to a lot of those folks. What about medical records? Can people still get those before it's too late?
So the hospital is actually giving people a chance to get those medical records. If you'd like to do that, you have all the information on our website, WTOL11.com. Reporting live in Maumee, Chase Bachman, WTOL 11.
Now, Chase talked about the distance that patients will need to travel once St. Luke's closes its doors. We wanted to give you a closer look at that tonight. ProMedica did build a freestanding ER and urgent care just 3 minutes from St. Luke's by US 24 and Monclova Road. Medical workers there are trained to treat emergencies and transport more serious patients to ProMedica Toledo Hospital. Mercy Health Perrysburg is about a 10-minute drive from St. Luke's. Wood County Hospital in Bowling Green is just about 20 minutes away. None of those are level 1 trauma centers, which are equipped to handle the most severe and significant medical emergencies. Toledo has 2, ProMedica Toledo Hospital and Mercy Health St. V's. This means that those hospitals have the most extensive round-the-clock medical coverage available.